Namaste my dear friends. Now this is the story of rivers. We are trying to discuss about the rivers. When the rain falls, the rainwater knows the low-lying area. It always runs towards the low-lying area and it flows into the small streams, and the small streams put together gives rise to a big river. And coming to the rivers, in India we are having perennial rivers and non-perennial rivers. The rivers which flow throughout the year, they are called the perennial rivers. Mostly they originate from the Himalayas and they flow throughout the year. And non-perennial rivers flow heavily during the rainy season, and the rest of the seasons the flow of water is very less. So my dear friends, rivers are the lifelines for any nation. Rivers are being flowing from lakhs of years. Rivers have seen so many generations of people. Today rivers are seeing us, and we are getting pure water in rivers. And on the rivers, every river is having different catchment area. You should know the catchment area. The amount of water which flows in that particular area flows into that river. That area we call it as the catchment area. And here in this case, in the case of a river, many people live. It's an economy for many people. The fishermen live on that. And rivers are useful in the transport system. Even we construct many dams on the rivers. Many dams are being constructed. In the dam construction, we can store the water, and this water can be used for the irrigation purpose, used for the energy generation, tidal energy generation, and it can be used for fisheries. So my dear friends, in that way, the rivers play a key role in the economy. All the civilizations were at the banks of the rivers. Example, the Indus Valley civilization, which is at the bank of the river Indus. In the Egypt civilization, at the bank of the river Nile. That way, many civilizations came at the banks of the rivers. In the olden days, even today also, people always like to live beside the stream, beside the rivers, because in our day-to-day life, water is one of the very essential entities for us. So my dear friends, today many rivers are dying because of the deforestation. So it is our responsibility to save the rivers, to save the forest, and to save the planet. Thank you.
Still now, we have discussed about rivers and its importance from the picture. Okay? Come on now. All of you turn your papers. Let me read out the story for you so that you watch carefully. Lots of little rivers start in the hills. These little rivers meet and become one big river. Like to live near rivers, give them water to drink. Rivers give them water for their plants. Rivers are also like roads for them. People go in boats along the river from one place to another place. Let us see the exercise part. In the same way, again here also we have two options. You choose the correct one and fill the blank. Read the sentences below. Each sentence has two words in the brackets. Which is the right word? Write that word in your exercise book along with the number of the sentence. First one, little rivers start in the hills or from the sky? Little rivers start from the hills. Second one, little rivers meet and become one big river. Next, third one, people like to live near boats or rivers. People like to live near rivers. Rivers give them rain or water. Rivers give them water. People go in boats or water along the river. People go in boats along the river. Okay children. Next, all of you turn your paper and see here. They have given you some words and also some pictures. You have to match the word along with the picture that is given in your story paper. Okay. First one, road. Where is the road, children? See, this is the road. Next, second one, boat. Where is the boat? See, this is the boat. Next, third one, river. Where is the river? See, this is the river. Next, fourth one, hills. Where are the hills? See, these are the hills. Next, plants. Where are the plants? See, these are the plants. Okay, children? Come on now. Let us discuss the new words that we came across in the lesson. Okay? First one, rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S. Rivers. Okay? Second one, hills. H-I-L-L-S. Hills. Next, third one, become. B-E-C-O-M-E. Become. Next, fourth one, near. N-E-A-R. Near. Next, fifth one, drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Next, sixth one, roads. R-O-A-D-S. Roads. Next one, boats. B-O-A-T-S. Boats. Next one, along. A-L-O-N-G. Along. Next one, another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another. Next one, these. T-H-E-S-E. These. Next one, lots. L-O-T-S. Lots. Next one, B-I-G. Big. Okay, children? So, I request everyone to note down the same words in your answer book and practice reading and writing. Thank you, children.